Might catch fumes when I zoom, as I wake up by myself or right past noon, then I'm doomed. Hennessy's drowning all of my issues. Right before I leave, she give me more than just submission. That thing got more back just like my engine, I can't hit it. Seen a vision in the boy, then we go.